Alright, so today we're going to be looking at trapezoids. Something important to know is this is an isosceles trapezoid. So that means that this side BA is congruent to CD. Remember that these tick marks tells you when the sides are congruent. These little arrows pointing in one direction tells you that these two lines are parallel. And that's the important thing to know about a trapezoid, that they have one pair of two sides that are parallel to each other. And then since this is isosceles and these two sides equal, that means that angle B is congruent to angle C and angle A is congruent to angle D. So be mindful that if you have a problem and it turns it like this, where the placement of the angles are and what angles you would set equal to each other when you're solving for the variable x. Now, if you look at this also, similar to what we were doing with the parallelograms, since these are parallel lines, that means that the angle B plus the angle A is going to equal to 180. Likewise, angle C is going to add with angle D to also be 180. So that means that these two angles are supplementary to each other and these two are supplementary. Likewise, supplementary here and supplementary here. Okay? So when you see the sides are equal, you set them equal to each other. And when it comes to the angles, you can see which angles are congruent to each other. Be mindful where they are. B is congruent to C, A is congruent to D. But if these are what's given to you, you add them together and set them to 180. Now, something else that we're going to be looking at is the medians of a trapezoid. So the medians of a trapezoid, and median is where this line cuts this line into two halves and this line into two halves. So with that being said, the length of the median going from here to here is going to be the average of this side and this side. So that would be 2 plus 12 divided by 2, which equals to 14 divided by 2, which equals to 7. So that means that the median right here is equal to 7. Okay? So these are the basics for you to be able to do the work today.